Hello mga motorista and welcome na naman sa isang Motorista Adventures na episode. For this video, pag-uusapan natin ang ating 2024 Wuling Bingo. This is their top spec model, no? In terms of top spec model, it means that ito yung pinakamalaking battery sa isang Wuling Bingo. So you have 333 kilometers of range for this model Bingo. Meron din tayong yung standard variant nila na 203 kilometers lang yung matatakbo in one full charge. So let's start sa exterior design ng ating Wuling Bingo, no? Is a neo retro look, no? When it comes to the segment. If you take a look at the headlights, no, it's very unique in the way na medyo old school siya pero modern look. So we have LED projector headlights, meron tayong LED DRLs, LED din yung ating turn signal lights. Wala tayong grille dito sa harap and wala din tayong engine dito sa bonnet, no? Andito yung mga BMS natin or battery management system and other electronic stuff dito nakalagay. But the battery is down below para yung center of gravity din niya is mababa. So napaka-sporty nitong i-drive, no? Now, dito naman sa ilalim na part, no, wala tayong fog light. If you might hear it, meron tayong fans dun sa ilalim for the air conditioning system. So dito naman sa side ng ating Bingo, kita nyo naman mga motorista na two-tone yung kanyang color, no? So this is the cream color, which is quite nice. Elegant siyang tignan, mas modern look. Cream color with the black roof. And you have your turn signal lights here, no? I don't think these are power folding, but it is power adjustable yung ating mga side mirrors. Now, when it comes to the tires, no, hubcaps tayo dito sa ating Wuling Bingo. Yung tires natin is 185 by 60 R15, steel wheels siya. Pero hindi mo kita na hubcaps pala siya sa malayo, no, which is really nice. Ito naman sa side natin, no, as you can see, meron tayong opening here. So, ito yung charger. So dito na ipapasok kung meron kang fast charger or DC fast charger. Yung rated voltage na is 750 volts and yung current na pwede mo ipasok dito is 125 amps. Dito naman sa kabila, meron din tayong AC charging. So magkabilaan, DC sa kabila, ito AC. So yung rated current nito is 250 volts. Pero yung charger nito is capable to 20, no, dito sa atin. And yung maximum current niya is 16 amps, no, itong Wuling Bingo natin. Okay, so madali lang siyang i-charge, no? Any SM na malls, no? Pag may EV charging, pwede mo i-charge. But you need an adapter kasi itong port na to is GBT port. So yung port na nasa SM is type 2 port. So meron ka na mabibiling adapter na hindi masyadong expensive naman yung adapters nito. But I think for the DC fast charger, dun na magka-expensive. Kung CCS2 to GBT, medyo expensive na. Okay, so ngayon naman mga motorista, tignan naman natin yung likuran ng ating Wuling Bingo. It exudes that neo retro look, no? Kung titignan nyo yung ating taillights, no, it has that LED na frosted type and yung shape niya medyo napaka-curve, no? Pati din yung overall look dito sa likuran, curvy siya. Meron pala tayong parang maliit na spoiler dito, meron tayong rear defogger, meron tayong high mount stoplight, you have your Wuling badge here. Meron tayong dalawang sensors, meron tayong reverse camera. And of course, wala tayong exhaust dito, no? Meron tayong reflector here and meron tayong rear fog light, no? Although wala siyang front, but meron tayong rear fog light. So buksan natin siya. So pindutin mo lang dito sa ilalim. Pagbukas mo ng ating Bingo, okay, and kung makikita nyo mga motorista, no, napakalalim dito sa likuran ng Wuling Bingo, no? So pwedeng kang pumasok actually. Pwede akong kakasya ako dito sa likuran. Especially kung meron kang taller items na karga, kayang-kaya, walang problema. And you can also fold these seats forward for more space. Let me show you around sa interior ng Wuling Bingo na top of the line model. So when it comes to the top of the line model, I'm sure walang masyadong difference sa lower models. It's just that itong top of the line model has a 333 kilometers of range. So before we start the interior review, yung ating battery percentage right now is 90%, kung makikita nyo mga motorista, and you have the range of 300 kilometers. Okay, so one thing to note, no? Okay. So one thing that I really like sa Bingo is the interior design. It doesn't look modern, so it looks more of that retro look, no? When it comes to the dashboard, it is an acquired taste, pero kung hilig mo naman yung mga old na design, no, I think you really like the Bingo's interior. So this is a really good dashboard now if you are looking for a neo retro look. So we got a big screen dito sa harap natin. I think that's around 10-inch display, and also this one. Now when it comes to the display quality, it's quite good. It is very readable, no, in direct sunlight yung mga display natin. And what you see here dito sa ating mga display, no, for example, dito sa display natin, dito sa left side display natin, you can see your voltmeter, yung current amperage natin, and yung power in terms of kilowatt, and yung trip distance natin. So meron din tayong drive mode dito sa ilalim na part, ayan. And you have your Wuling, no, on the middle part of the dash, no. Although wala tong advanced driver aids when it comes to this Bingo, okay na din siya, no, because it's a lot cheaper than the ones that has ADAS, no, na electric vehicle. So si Wuling Bingo meron siyang park, reverse, neutral, and drive. So in order for you to switch to that, you have here your knob, no. So just like the Wuling Macaron, the Wuling Game Boy, very similar to the knob. It has nicer quality yung mga knobs dito, and you have electronic parking brake, and finally meron tayong automatic brake hold function. Now yung steering wheel naman is a 2-spoke steering wheel, and magkabilaan meron tayong mga volume knob and next knob dito sa kabila. And you have, I think this is the power button for the screen natin, and you have your voice command button. Sa kabila naman meron tayong navigation buttons for this screen. So kung ipipress ko to, it changes, no. You have meter speed, RPM. You have cruise control here, mga motorista, no. Power windows, pero automatic down lang, hindi siya automatic up. Manual toggles na for the passengers. Meron tayong window lock button, lock and lock button. So one thing that I really like dito sa ating Bingo, mga motorista, no, once you leave the car, automatically locks, and once you enter the car, as long as the key is with you, automatic din siyang mag-on yung mga gauges and display natin. So you don't have to do anything, just press on the brake, hit the or turn the knob to the drive mode, and then you're good to go. Dito sa ilalim na part ng ating vents is meron tayong headlight leveler, traction control button is here, and you have your power adjustment sa ating side mirrors. Yung ating mga vents is circular type, and yung color ng ating dash is parang cream and this brownish leather material here. Na meron tayong dalawang pedals, no. Sakto lang yung placement niya. It's a bit weird when you are almost in the middle, no, once you stepping on the gas, but very natural naman siya and very comfortable na position. So go and then stop natin andun dito. Almost at the center but not really. You have charging and for your data. And dito sa screen natin, you have a very good display. Responsive naman siya, mga motorista, no. So you can control your AC and kung saan papunta yung ating air conditioning. And also you have your, ayan, kita nyo naman na naka-play tayo dito ng music, and your phone is also connected. You have AM, FM. Unfortunately, I don't think we have CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, when it comes to the settings, motorista, as expected, no, marami tayong settings for the Bingo. So you have your energy flow here, you have your energy curve, you have your driving score. Meron tayong drive mode, no. So you have 3 drive modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport. So that's one of the 3 that you can choose, no, in this screen. Pero pag ipipress mo naman to, meron din siya. So you have Normal, you have Eco Plus, and also meron din tayong Eco. Okay, and then Sport. So 4 siya, no, once you press this button right here, pero pag sa screen 3 lang. I'm not sure why that is, no. You have maximum speed, pwede mo i-limit yung speed mo until 80 kilometers per hour lang. And you have low SOC air conditioning limits. You can turn it on when the switch is turned on. The air conditioner cooling and heating function automatic switch off when the power level is below 10%. So that's more of an energy saving mode. Prevent accidental neutral gear touch. So you can turn it on as well. Just leave it as it is. Okay? So yan yung ating infotainment system ng Wuling Bingo. In my opinion, the speakers are quite decent, mga motorista. Not the best, of course. I do think that these are only 4 speakers, no, sa cabin. Hindi siya 6 speakers. Wala tayong tweeters, no, that I can see right up front of us. Okay? Another quirky thing about the Bingo is andito yung ating hazard button, and you can, ayan, meron tayong dome lights pero it's a singular and it's frosted type, no, very futuristic looking. But I'm not sure if I really would like my hazard button to be dito sa taas. You have vanity mirror for the driver and also another vanity mirror for the passenger, mga motorista. No, I really also like the leather seats. Hindi siya yung parang synthetic type. Look, it feels quite expensive, and meron tayong perforation dito sa ating mga paa, which is quite good. Height adjustable seat, hindi siya electronic, of course. And then you have your recline. Meron pala tayong ano dito, mga motorista, no, cup holders, but unfortunately we don't have any armrest for the Wuling Bingo. Now, glove compartment is here. Meron tayo. It is damp, which is quite good. So ayan yung harap ng ating Wuling Bingo, mga motorista. Now let's move on to the back. Let me show you the space. Okay, so yung space naman dito sa likod ng ating Bingo is quite good, no? I really am surprised how spacious it is dito sa likod. You barely have a hump on the middle part of the seat. Now, for the passenger seat, halos walang toe room tayo dyan kasi medyo mababa yung seat. But here, since this is height adjustable, pwede mo pang ipasok yung mga feet mo dun sa ilalim. But again, meron tayong pockets here and maluwag siya. Wala tayong USB ports of any kind dito sa second row of seats. You can also fold the seats, mga motorista, no. I don't think you can use, or you have a lever dito sa second row, but you have to go to the rear part of the Bingo to do that. So ayan yung interior ng ating Wuling Bingo. Ngayon naman, proceed na tayo sa test drive natin. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Okay, mga motorista, no, paalis na tayo. And so when you drive the Wuling Bingo, no, it's very much improved, no. If you compare it to the more affordable Macaron, the more affordable Game Boy, this is actually really good when it comes to the driving characteristics niya. So medyo mas stable siya at speed, mas maganda yung kanyang noise, vibration, and harshness. But I wouldn't say luxurious level yung noise, vibration, and harshness na levels dito sa loob. So I do think na parehas lang siya sa mga Vios na ganun. So hindi siya ganun ka-insulated from road noise. And yung windows natin, hindi siya ganun ka makapal, no, thin lang siya. So parang as a car that you'd expect, no, in this category, no, yung mga pang city driving na mga sasakyan. When it comes to the power, no, andyan yung power kasi it is an electric vehicle. And number 2 is that yung response niya is maganda, especially in sport mode. Now, one thing I do wish na mas improve dito is the ride quality. I do think na medyo stiff siya. I'm not so sure kung mataas lang yung tire pressure or yung shocks natin is stiff. But in poorly surfaced roads, you can really feel the bumps dito sa loob. You can really appreciate the Bingo when it comes to the driving characteristics kasi it's very different from a internal combustion car or yung standard na sasakyan kasi you don't have that torque lag or yung parang medyo matagal siya or mabigat siya ma-accelerate. Ito, you can really feel na napaka-responsive, no, ng ating Bingo. It has everything that you want sa isang city car. Maliit, nimble, especially this one. And also, you don't need to go to the gas station kasi pwede mo namang i-charge to sa bahay ninyo for overnight, 'di ba? Pag once ginamit mo siya on the daily basis, charge mo siya sa gabi, and na-top up mo na yung nawalang charge sa'yo. Si Wuling Bingo, mga motorista, na when it comes to its power, it has a 50 kilowatt motor. And yung torque nito is rated at 110 Newton meters. So that's quite good, no, especially for an EV. Si Wuling Bingo is priced at 1,119,000 pesos dito sa Cagayan de Oro. So if you are interested in the Wuling Bingo, you can contact Wuling Cagayan de Oro Motorista. I do think na meron silang mga stocks nito. Special thanks nga pala sa Wuling Cagayan de Oro for letting us borrow the Wuling Bingo for our review. So maraming salamat and I'll see you on the next episode.